in the Boom Kitchen. I'm Ajanta and today I'm going to show you 3 of my favourite Indian side dishes. I find these dishes are great to make when you have friends over for dinner and you put on a big banquet, a couple of curries, maybe, I don't know, chana masala. And these are just great little things to go with it. All of them will last probably a couple of weeks in the fridge, so don't worry if you don't get through it all that night, but I can tell you now, you will. Come on, let's get started. Alright, so first up I'm going to do the coconut chutney. In here I have 1 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. I actually had to get the flaked one because I couldn't find the other one, but it is what it is. There's also 1/2 inch piece of ginger which has been peeled. I chopped it into chunks. You don't need to. We're going to chuck it all in our food processor. And then also 2 fresh whole green chillies, and I've stemmed them and also just sliced them up. Let's pop all of this in our Ninja cup. Now we also want to put in some lemon juice, water and salt. You need 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. I could show you, but it's really not that interesting. 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So pop that in there like that. Okay. So now that we have all that in there, I'm just going to process it until it's smooth, and I do apologise about the sound. So maybe this is when you can all close your ears. Alright, let's have a look at that. I've never been one to worry too much about if it's chunky or what's going on. So, oh no, that is perfect. You have done a very good job there, folks. And you'll be able to smell the green chilies and obviously the coconut. Yeah, so that's beautiful. So what we want to do now is transfer this mixture. It will be a little bit of juice, you'll see. I could have also put too much lemon juice or water, which does happen occasionally. And we just want to put that into a bowl. Now this bowl will be what you serve it in as well, and it is delicious. This is such a treat. Go, pop that in there, get the little bits there, don't waste not, want not, they used to say. Now, the next step is to heat the mustard seeds up. So in a small frying pan, I don't have a small frying pan, I have a medium-sized one. So in my medium-sized frying pan, I'm gonna heat up some sesame oil. You can also use vegetable oil if you like. Usually, it's basically a teaspoon, so I'm just going to do a splash of sesame oil, wait till that heats up, and then we throw in our brown mustard seeds. I said before, I couldn't find any brown mustard seeds, so I've used yellow. The difference between yellow mustard seeds and brown mustard seeds, it's basically the flavour. Brown mustard seeds are a bit more pungent, so if you do have to use yellow, just use twice as many and it'll still be okay, it'll come out lovely. And what do you think? It's about a teaspoon, isn't it? Have a lid ready. Oh, look at that. It even fits. Who would have thought? And once that's heated up, maybe I'll turn it up a little bit. We basically just want to throw those mustard seeds on there and heat them up. Cover the pan though, because mustard seeds do splutter everywhere, and they'll take about 30 seconds to heat up. Okay, so that's heating up nicely. As you can see, it is a lot better when you have a small frying pan, but regardless, you have to make do sometimes with what you have. Yes, much better with a small frying pan. But at least they're all coated in oil, so whatever happens from now, we shall wait and see. Okay, so the mustard seeds are now spluttering. Splutter, splutter. Twirl and flutter. Not really anything. So we just pour them on top of the coconut chutney like so. Some are quite brown. There we go. Now we mix well, and it's ready to, you can either serve it straight away like that, or because when I have friends coming over, there is no way I'm cooking while people are around because I get a little bit distracted. You can also pop that in the So it's ready to go. So that is your coconut chutney. Till next time, folks, stay cool.